In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Substack blog. Whether you're writing for fun or to share expertise, setting up a blog on Substack is straightforward. We'll walk you through the essential steps so you can focus on what matters most, your content. To start, head over to substack.com. If you haven't already, you'll need to create an account. Click on the Create Account button and simply sign up using your email address. Keep in mind that you'll want to use an email that you check regularly, as this will be your primary form of communication with Substack and your subscribers. Once your account is up and running, it's time to give your blog a name. Think about something that represents your style or the topics you'll cover. This is how your subscribers will recognize you, so choose a name that's memorable and reflective of your content. Next, you'll need to select a custom subdomain. This will be your blog's address on the web, similar to your name.substack.com. A simple and easy to remember subdomain not only makes it easy for your audience to find you, but also enhances your brand. Now let's get your blog looking snazzy. Upload a logo and tinker with the design. Remember, you can always update these later, so don't stress if it's not perfect right now. Focus on picking elements that align with your theme and aesthetic to create a cohesive feel for your blog. After you've set up your design, head over to your dashboard. This is your command center where you'll manage your posts and interact with subscribers. In your dashboard, click the New Post button. This will take you to the editor where the magic happens. The editor is user-friendly, allowing you to add text, headings, and images. You can also embed other elements such as videos, podcasts, and YouTube links. Once your masterpiece is crafted and you're ready to share it with the world, hit that publish button. Your post will be live for everyone to see on your public Substack blog. Additionally, if you have email subscribers, your post can be sent directly to them. You have the option to enable or disable this feature depending on your preference. There you have it. You've set up your Substack blog and published your first post. As you continue to create content, remember that Substack is flexible, offering a range of features you can explore. It's all about finding your own voice and engaging your audience. Happy blogging, and I can't wait to see what you create.